Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making DIY slime. Slime is a fun science experiment, perfect for kids and adults. It's gooey, stretchy, and a blast to play with. Best of all, it's easy with just a couple of ingredients. Get ready to unleash your inner scientist. For this simple slime recipe, you'll need clear glue as the base. You can find clear glue at craft stores or supermarkets. Next, you'll need a slime activator. The activator changes the glue from a liquid to a solid. We'll use liquid laundry detergent. Other options are contact lens solution or borax powder mixed with water. We'll show you how to use each. You can add food coloring, glitter, or small toys to make it special. Let's get into the process. Pour the clear glue into a bowl. A good starting point is about half a cup. Add food coloring if you want and stir. Now, add the activator. If using laundry detergent, add a teaspoon or two and mix. The mixture will thicken. If using contact lens solution, add a teaspoon at a time and mix. If using borax, mix 1 teaspoon of borax powder with 1 cup of warm water. Add the borax solution to the glue, a little bit at a time, mixing continuously. The mixture will start to clump. Once the slime pulls away from the bowl sides, knead it with your hands. This incorporates the activator and removes stickiness. If it's still sticky, add a little more activator until you get the desired consistency. Perfect slime will be stretchy and not too sticky. You should be able to stretch, squish, and play without it sticking to your hands. Add glitter or small toys now. Just knead them in. There you have it. You've successfully made DIY slime. Now play with it, stretch, squish, and have fun. Slime is a great sensory activity. Store it in an airtight container to prevent drying. This is a great starting point. Experiment with colors, glitter, and add-ins. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more DIY projects and experiments. Share your slime creations in the comments. Happy sliming!